Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily set up SMTP on Brevo. So all you have to do is head over to brevo.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, just click on your profile name, then click on SMTP and API. So this is where you can view your SMTP settings. You can also regenerate SMTP login and master password. So this is an option, and if you want, you can just click on yes, regenerate. And your SMTP login and master password has now been regenerated. So for you to be able to generate a new SMTP key, just click on generate a new SMTP key. And from here, just give a name to your SMTP key. We're just going to name it SMTP key, then click on generate. And just by that, you now have your SMTP key. Just click on the copy icon to copy the key, and that's it. You can now view here all your SMTP keys. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!